You shouldn't be stuck with that gel polish left on your nails. I'm going to show you how I take my gel polish off and reapply it using a gel nail kit. Okay guys, if you're here, you're probably wondering how to take off your gel nail polish. So now that we're all stuck at home and everybody's wondering how to take off their gel nail polish or how to maintain their polish when all the nail salons are closed. So today we're going to be taking off our gel polish and reapplying some new polish using this kit right here. So both of these kits you can get from Amazon. I'll have those linked in the description below. This kit right here is going to help you to remove your gel polish. So it comes with 10 little clips, and you soak the cotton squares that it comes with and you put them and clamp them onto your fingers. So this kit is really super helpful whenever you're taking off your gel polish. If you did not want to purchase this kit, you can just do cotton rounds soaked in 100% acetone, and you can scrape them off with either the hard edge of a nail file or cut off a Q-tip and scrape it off with that. This has been a really helpful kit for me. I have noticed that it's really hard to do both hands at the same time to clamp on, but it's really hard to do both hands whenever you're talking about wrapping your finger in foil anyway. This kit right here is from the brand Gelish. There are more affordable kits that you can buy. I personally have not used them. I'll link some in the description below, but since I have not used them, I'm not sure of the quality. This right here, it's a little bit more expensive, but it comes with your light so you can cure your gel nail polish. It comes with two colors here, kind of a light pink. It looks a little like it has a little shimmer to it or a little glitter in it. And then a nice, pretty, solid, just trusty red. It also comes with the cleaner that you need to clean off your nails before you apply the gel polish. This is also going to be what you use to take that tacky coat off after you're completely done curing the polish and the top coat and everything. It's going to come with some remover. I personally like to use my own acetone remover. I got this from Walgreens, so you can pick some up in your local pharmacy. This is 100% acetone. I personally just like to use my own. I haven't used what's come in the kit. It also comes with a pH bond to put on before you apply the base coat. It comes with the base coat or the foundation, the top coat, and then some cuticle oil. You spend the price and you get the product, and then after you do your own gel manicure a few times, it's paid for itself and you still have a ton of applications left. So I will say it does take a little bit longer, a little bit more patience, but right now we're in quarantine. We can't go out anywhere and get our nails done, and a lot of people are stuck at home, so might as well learn how to do those gel nails at home, and then maybe whenever we're not in quarantine anymore, you can go out to the nail salon and get those nails done, or you can enjoy doing them at home by yourself. So first I'm going to show you how I take off my gel polish. So first you're going to want to make sure that you have some Q-tips handy, a couple of cotton rounds, and I have some paper towels here. In this kit came all these little clips for your nails. It came with this little tool that's used to scrape the nail. But first what you want to do is just rough up the top coat of the nail polish. So take the nail file that came in this kit, or you can take the roughest, most coarse nail file that you have and take and just rough up the top coat of the nail. What this does is just kind of breaks up that top coat, and it makes it easier for the acetone to absorb and remove the nail polish. Okay, so now that the nails are roughed up, you're gonna start by soaking the cotton square. Simply put it on the nail, take the clamp and clamp it over in place. Make sure that the cotton is well saturated. Okay, so I've got the one hand soaking in the acetone and the clamps are on my fingers. Another reason why I kind of wanted to do this with one hand is because it is extremely difficult to maneuver using this tool to scrape off, or using anything to scrape off the nail polish when you've got clamps on this hand as well. So it can just be really difficult to do both hands at the same time. That's why I'm just gonna do one hand at a time. However, it is more time consuming. So I think it's been around 10 minutes. I'm gonna start with what I the finger that I did first. I'm going to take it off. Usually you can see if the nail polish has started to come up on the ends. So I'm taking this tool and just scraping the nail polish. You don't want to scrape too hard. If you find that it's not coming off super easy, take and saturate your cotton again and put it back on for a little while. Okay. So the way I like to push back my cuticles is I'll actually take, a tool like this you can take to, gently push back the cuticle, or you can also take the rounded edge of your nail file and gently push the cuticle back. So I'm gonna fix up this, file these down, and I'll be right back. Okay, so if you've come this far, you've gotten over the biggest hump of doing your own gel manicure, because the rest is downhill. If you can paint your nails, you can do this at home. The hardest part and most time-consuming part is definitely taking off the nail polish. So once I've taken it off, I filed the nails down to my desired length and shape. A smooth file, and what I'm gonna, or you can take one of these guys. And I'm just gonna go over the nail and make sure that everything is smoothed out. There's no excess polish, or just that the nail is, as smooth as it can be and ready for that next application. Okay, next I'm gonna take one of these cotton, I keep on wanting to say cotton rounds. They're not round, they are rectangle. I'm gonna take one of these, have as many fibers as maybe a cotton round, and these can sometimes leave those little, fibers in your nail polish. So I'm just gonna use one of these that they have provided. I'm gonna take the nail cleaner and saturate. After you're completely done and finished with your nails, and you're finished curing the top coat, you're actually gonna take this very product and use it to remove that tacky, kind of sticky layer that's on whenever you cure the nail polish. Okay, first I'm gonna take the pH bond, and you just wanna take and brush it quickly over each nail. Next, go in with your foundation or your base coat. Take your time here and do a nice, even, thin layer of base coat. Okay, and then we put it in. The lamp that I have goes for 45 seconds. Try not to be too rushed. I'm a little bit rushed right now, more so than I typically am, because usually I would do this at night after the kids have gone to bed, but I am trying to film this during nap time today, so I feel like I'm rushed and a little bit anxious that they're gonna wake up in the middle of all this. So just remember to take your time. Okay, now we're going to do the top coat. I do like to let the top coat go for 2 rounds of the 45 seconds, or almost 2 rounds of the 45 seconds. So I'm gonna let this go for 45 seconds. I'm gonna hit it again, let it go for a little bit longer, and then you're gonna take the cotton pad that you have the nail surface cleansing solution on, and you're gonna take and rub off that tacky layer. Okay, I got one hand done and they're still sleeping, so let's hope I can get the other one done. All right, I'm so excited. I was able to finish this during nap time. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this cuticle oil and rub it on the cuticles and we will be done. This was how to do a gel manicure or a gel polish change. Take your gel polish off and put some new gel polish on. But, you know, we're all spending a lot more time at home right now, and you know, I don't personally always feel so much better when my nails are done. I don't know, it just makes me feel better, it makes me feel prettier, and I just really enjoy having my nails done. So I hope this has helped you guys know that you can enjoy having your nails done at home also. You can get this straight from Amazon. It'll ship straight to your door and you can maintain your gel polish at home. I hope this helped you guys out. Please stay safe out there and thank you so much for watching.